Did you catch Amazon Prime Video's new AI recap feature? Well, you might have missed it, because it's already gone. Amazon was testing AI-generated video summaries for shows like Fallout, Jack Ryan, and Bosch, but they pulled the plug after viewers noticed some major mistakes. The Fallout recap, for example, got some key plot points hilariously wrong. The AI claimed one of the ghouls' flashbacks was in the 1950s, when any fan knows it's set in the year 2077. It also oversimplified a tense standoff, saying the ghoul gave Lucy a choice to die or leave with him, which wasn't quite how it went down. These AI summaries, complete with a monotone robot voice, were meant to help you catch up before a new season, but it seems the AI still has a lot to learn before it can replace a good old previously on segment. Amazon hasn't commented yet, but for now, the AI recaps have vanished from the platform. What do you think about AI summarizing your favorite shows? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more updates.